Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ryan Fenters. Welcome back to the Fentertainment channel. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing and installing one of these Tyger Autos roll-up bed cover on my 2004 Silverado. Stay tuned. Now, one of the real reasons I picked this over-the-rail bed cover here is when I picked up the truck, it had toolboxes all along the bed rail. I'm hoping this bed cover will cover up all of those holes so I don't have to do any kind of a body work or anything like that to this pickup truck right yet, but they're actually on both sides of the bed rails. So these are the side rails for the bed of the truck. These are the clamps to hold the bed rails down to the truck itself. The bed cover does come with instructions, a checklist to go over it before you start installing stuff on the truck. Make sure everything is included. Inside of this bag is going to be your tonneau cover. So this is good in case you ever want to take the tonneau cover off. You can do that, store it in this bag in the garage or whatever. Make sure that these pieces here are facing the rear of the truck. Now, as you can see, there's a slot right here and it's angled on one side, on the top side. This bracket here is designed to fit inside of that angle. So this is how the clamps are going to attach, like so. This is going to go underneath your bed rail system here. This right here is going to sit on top of your tonneau cover. It's probably not recommended to use an impact, but this saves a little bit of time. I'm just taking it careful, trying to tighten them up without having to use a ratchet. So you can notice these are installed the correct way, and this piece goes inside of another channel inside the rail. This one is installed incorrectly because I just put it down on this rail here, so I have to redo this one. So make sure all of yours are inside of that rail. So if you notice here, the way I have it installed now, it hangs over the tailgate a few inches, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unroll it back up. I'm going to unloosen the clamps and move it back to make this right here fit kind of smoothly and flush with the tailgate here. But before we do that, we're going to install this weatherproof strip onto the bulkhead here, so it'll provide a little bit more weatherproof to the tonneau cover. So we took the bed cover back apart, took the clamps off, slid it back over this weatherproof cover, and we'll need to come back and just strip that, and we'll do once it's all said and done with. Let's put the clamps back on. So it does not have latches. It's got these two loops here. This side here has like a hook, basically just stick into place. And it's not going to go anywhere. I like that. It's not bad. I mean, for 170 bucks, I believe it was 160, something like that, I'm happy. Make sure these rails have an arch to divert the water from both sides so it does not collect in the middle like a valley. Here's your second one. I always wondered, does it really lock before you pull these cables down? And once you just close it, It does lock, so you either have to use this handle here or this handle here to release it. It's unlocked, locked, unlocked, locked. Personally, I think that it looks a lot better. It's not supposed to be a low profile, but it kind of is. It looks real good. It's clean looking. Oh yeah, I'm sure everybody's gonna be asking if I remove that piece there. I think that's really yes.